Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy English by English Learning Podcast with Adam and Sarah. I'm Adam, and as always, I'm happy to be here with you.
Hi everyone, I'm Sarah, and today we're going to talk about something super interesting. How to talk about your past experiences in English.
That's right. We all love sharing stories, maybe about a trip, a special day, or something funny that happened. And to do that, you need to use the past tense.
Exactly. Don't worry, we'll make it easy. We'll use simple sentences, natural words, and fun examples.
Perfect. So, Sarah, let's start with a question. What did you do last weekend?
Last weekend. I went to the beach with my friends. It was sunny and beautiful. We swam, played volleyball, and ate ice cream.
Nice! So, you said, I went to the beach. That's the past tense of go. In English, when something already happened, we usually change the verb. Like, go becomes went. Eat becomes ate. See becomes saw.
Exactly. And for regular verbs, we just add ed at the end, like play becomes played, watch becomes watched, visit becomes visited.
Right. So Sarah said, we played volleyball. That's past tense. Played.
Yes. What about you, Adam? What did you do last weekend?
I stayed home. I was a little tired, so I watched some movies and cooked dinner.
Ah, that sounds relaxing. What movie did you watch?
I watched Finding Nemo. I love that one. It's fun and emotional at the same time.
Aw, that's such a good movie.
Yeah. So, listeners, you see how we're talking? Simple past tense. You can use it to talk about any experience in the past. Yesterday, last week, last year, or even years ago.
Exactly. Let's talk about some fun past experiences. Adam, tell me about your last trip.
Oh, I love this question. My last trip was to Japan. I went there 2 years ago. It was amazing. I visited Tokyo, Kyoto, and Osaka. I saw temples, tried sushi, and met wonderful people.
That sounds incredible. What was your favorite part?
Probably Kyoto. It's full of history and culture. I visited a beautiful temple surrounded by red leaves. It looked like a painting.
Whoa, that must have been unforgettable.
It really was. What about you, Sarah? Where did you travel last?
Last year, I went to Italy with my cousin. We stayed in Rome and Florence. I ate so much pizza and gelato.
Italian food is the best.
Yes, we visited the Colosseum, saw old buildings, and took lots of photos. I still remember the smell of fresh coffee in the mornings.
That sounds perfect. So, listeners, when you talk about past trips, use simple past verbs like went, saw, visited, ate, stayed, enjoyed.
Exactly. And you can make your sentences short and simple. I went to Rome. I saw the Colosseum. I ate pizza. That's it.
And if you want to ask someone, you can say, where did you go? Or what did you do last weekend?
Yes. And notice the question word did. When you ask questions in the past, use did and the base verb. For example, did you go to school yesterday? Did you eat breakfast?
Exactly. You don't say, did you went, just did you go? That's one of the most common beginner mistakes.
Yes, but it's easy to fix with practice.
So let's have a small story conversation, a fun memory.
Okay, how about a childhood story?
Perfect. Sarah, what did you love doing as a kid?
Oh, I loved climbing trees. My friends and I played outside all day. We built small tree houses and pretended we were explorers.
That sounds fun. I loved riding my bike. I went everywhere, to school, to the park, even to my grandma's house.
That's sweet. Did your grandma cook for you?
Oh yes, she made the best pancakes. I still remember the smell, warm and sweet.
Aw, that's such a nice memory.
So listeners, You see how easy it is. We're just sharing stories using past tense verbs. Loved, played, went, made, cooked.
Exactly. And you can do the same. Think of one fun memory and try to tell it in English. For example, I visited my grandmother. We cooked dinner. We talked and laughed.
Beautiful and simple. That's real English.
Yes. Adam, what's one past experience that really changed you?
Maybe when I moved to a new city for university. It was scary at first. I didn't know anyone. But I met great people, learned to live alone, and grew more confident.
That's amazing. Sometimes new experiences make us stronger.
Absolutely. What about you?
For me, it was when I volunteered at a children's camp. I taught English and played games with kids. They were so sweet and full of energy. I learned patience and kindness from them.
That's beautiful, Sarah.
Thanks. You see, talking about your past helps you connect with people. It's not just grammar, it's sharing your life.
Exactly. So, everyone, practice talking about your past, a trip, a weekend, or a memory. Just use those simple past verbs.
And don't worry about being perfect. Just speak, because your stories are worth sharing.
Beautifully said, Sarah.
Thank you, Adam.
And thank you, listeners, for joining us today. We hope you enjoyed this little trip to the past.
Yes, don't forget to subscribe our channel and also share it with your friends.
See you next time, friends.
Goodbye, everyone. Keep practicing and keep smiling.